Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your profile with Buffer, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover your Buffer profile, start by navigating to the Buffer website. On the home page, locate and click on the login button at the top right corner. Enter your registered email address and password in the respective fields. If you've forgotten your password, select the Forgot Your Password link below the login form. Input your email address again and click on the Send Reset Link button. Check your inbox for an email from Buffer with the subject Password Reset Request. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided inside. This link will direct you to a new page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it before submitting the changes. Once your password is reset, return to the Buffer login page. Enter your email and the new password to log into your account. If you cannot locate the password reset email, check your spam or junk folder. If you're still having trouble, visit the Buffer support page for additional assistance. Once logged in, you can access your profile and restore any necessary settings. Take a moment to review your connected social accounts and preferences within Buffer. Finally, ensure that all your previous posts and scheduled content are intact. Your Buffer profile should now be successfully recovered. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.